This segment is sponsored by West Michigan Works. The pandemic has exacerbated a challenge that already existed in the healthcare industry, and that's finding people to fill all of the jobs that exist in healthcare. Doug Himmeline is here from Holland Home, and Charlotte Bendis is from Corewell Health, formerly Spectrum Health, and they're here to talk about the challenges they face in recruiting workers. Welcome to both of you.
Good morning.
Doug, I think there are some misperceptions about working in the healthcare industry. What do you want folks to know about it?
Well, I got two key misperceptions that I believe are out there. The first thing is we have the traditional clinical positions that we all think of, like nurses and aides, but we also are very diversified. We need to have finance folks, IT folks, our facilities people, such as the grounds that are out shoveling snow this morning, food service employees, and we're more than just the nurses, the nurse aides. We're extremely diversified, so we actually look for the full gamut of staff.
With all of that in mind, what kind of positions is there a necessity to hire for right now in our area?
Yeah, there's a strong demand for our clinical positions, no doubt, such as RNs, LPNs, and certified nurse aides, non-certified aides. But we definitely need all the supporting departments, dietary. So if you're looking to get into be a sous chef, a cook, our maintenance, plumbers, electricians, and the list could continue on. And with Spectrum, the list is probably even larger. They have a more variety of positions than what Holland Home does.
Yeah, for sure. And I know you both are members of the West Michigan Health Careers Council. And Charlotte, the council is in the process of creating a healthcare training directory. What is that and how's that going to work?
Correct. So, Catherine, the directory will be just a way for a member of the community to navigate all the opportunities that Doug is speaking of that exist within healthcare. Right. So you might be a person that's just not really sure how could you fit in. And we definitely have a place for everyone within healthcare. And so if you want to be that direct caregiver, right, delivering care to patients, then we have those types of opportunities. If you want to be more in the support level, then we have those opportunities. So the directory will inform, well, how do I start working in healthcare? How do I continue my training? And then what positions might be available to me in the future, right? So that entry-level position is where someone might start, but they might want to see themselves in a more skilled position 2 or 3 years down the road. So the director will provide the knowledge that community members need, like where do you start? How do you then get additional training? And where might you see yourself in 2 to 3 years? So it's really kind of a roadmap resource.
It sounds terrific. Let's talk about the people who are thinking, yeah, I'd like to get started in a healthcare career. Yeah. What kinds of entry-level positions and training opportunities are available so they can do that advancing that you described?
So one of the most powerful things about healthcare as an industry is that we do have a place for everyone to start. And a lot of our entry-level positions do provide all the training necessary to do that job well. And then within most healthcare employers, there's also training opportunities to upskill to be qualified for the next level job. And then through partnerships with our community colleges, with our four-year institutions, right, with some other organizations that help people become certified, right, there's those opportunities. So you see a lot of individuals come into healthcare and the common story is, oh, I started in this position. Then I moved to the next one, to the next one. Doug actually has a beautiful story of all the different positions that he's been in over the years. So it's really an industry in which you can see a lot of career pathway opportunity.
That's terrific. Okay. Well, we want to let folks know the West Michigan Health Careers Council is dedicated to creating this pipeline of qualified healthcare workers. For more information, visit wmihealthcareers.org. That's the council website. And for more information on careers in and out of healthcare, visit westmiworks.org, westmiworks.org. We'll put it all on our website, 13onyourside.com. Thanks to both of you.